sunny outside, Miss Kia. I know. It's hot, right? I want to eat something sweet and cold. What is that? What if we make Milo ice dessert? Sounds so yummy. But what exactly Milo ice dessert is? Is it an ice cream cake? You'll find after we sing. Let's sing together. It's time for Milo ice dessert. Yummy, yummy Milo ice dessert. It's time for Milo ice dessert. Yummy, yummy Milo ice dessert. Let's get started, boys and girls. What are the ingredients do we need? What are the ingredients do we need?
A pack of Milo, banana, Oreo biscuit, bread, and condensed milk.
Let's get started! But we need to tell you first some important reminders. Use your aprons to keep your clothes clean. Chef's hat and plastic gloves. And most importantly, that you have to wash your hands and make sure your hands are clean. Let's do it! Are you ready? Yes, we are ready! First, you have to put the Milo inside the freezer and make sure it's frozen overnight.
Get the bread and tear it.
And get the banana and slice it.
Let's get the bowl and put the bread and banana like this.
Let's get the bread and banana, then put them into the bowl like this. Remember, you need your mom's help to cut the Milo. And put into the bowl like this.
And crush the Oreo. And sprinkle the Oreo.
Lastly, let's add some milk. So, this is it! Milo ice dessert! Let's sing together! It's time for Milo ice dessert! Yummy, yummy Milo ice dessert! It's time for Milo ice dessert! Yummy, yummy Milo ice dessert! Enjoy making your Milo iced dessert.